Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear brothers and sisters, as the bombs rain down on the people of Gaza, we are urgently seeking your help and support. Islamic Relief has been working in Gaza and the occupied territories of Palestine since 1997. We're on the ground. We have the resources, we have the facilities, we have the staff, we have the access, we have the ability to respond. When the cameras leave and the people stop talking about Gaza, we will continue, as we have since 1997, to provide life-saving support, to provide development, to provide aid to those who are most in need in Palestine. Right now, my dear brothers and sisters, inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. More than 200 people have died. Thousands have been injured. Thousands have been displaced from their homes. And we're seeking your help and support. Right now, we have to provide shelter to those families who fled their homes. We have to provide them food. We have to provide them water. We have to provide them whatever support it is that they need. Those who are in hospital, we need to supply and equip those hospitals with medical supplies. The next phase after this will be the longer term medical challenges. Those who have injuries, we can leave them now, but we must return to them in weeks and months to come to provide support that they need. There will be many hundreds of children, like I've met myself when I've been in Gaza, who are suffering and will be suffering from psychosocial problems to what they've seen and who they've lost. Beyond this, my dear brothers and sisters, we will begin our reconstruction. So we are looking and urgently seek your support to help Islamic Relief provide for those who are in need in Gaza and the occupied territories of Palestine. Please donate generously. Please support as much as you can. Please share and tell others to also contribute. We're on the ground. We need your help and support.